Here's what I got at an estate sale. We went there to get this oscillating fan. The picture showed it from the back, so it's just an unknown gray-bladed Taiwanese fan. And this old Panasonic radio. Look at that, it's from like the 60s with the old logo. I was looking for that. My mother already grabbed it, and I came across this GE radio. Another Spartus. $1. Can't go wrong with that. That was $1. That was in the toolbox. This was near the toolbox. And yeah, we'll roll the footage. Short footage. And there was another thing that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Thought it was pretty freaking cool, and it was only $10 to my amazement. Here it is. Nice. RCA Victor solid state radio. She said something was wrong with the tuner not engaging, or the knob or whatever. Pretty cool. Let's see the back here. Hung it up with this thing. Bracket right here. Thankfully they didn't drill through all the way. It would have gone through the front there. Here's the info. RGC37L Maple. It works and it sounds pretty good. Gonna go to a parking lot sale later when my brother's awake. Found this on the side of the road earlier. The main TV of the house is a 52-inch one of these, but this one's from 2011, and the other one in the living room is from '09. It's going to turn 16 next month in December. This one gives the 5 blinks code. Power supply issue. I want to fix it. I'm going to fix it. Hopefully. So that's the estate sale video. It's been a while, hasn't it? And yeah, this works. She tested everything. So thanks for watching. We get the microphone in the mail today. We can use it on here too, as well as the phone. I'm going to go back to using the phone if it's a success. I wonder if they had a GE TV back in the day. They had a Samsung, and they had a Samsung Smart TV for $20, and this guy's like blown away that it worked. It's like, yeah, dude, come on, just go out to the estate sales. There's great prices, find great deals, and flip it on eBay for $250. I don't know. HDMI on the side, composite in the back. Anyway, that's it for now. My second Taiwanese fan, by the way. It looks like that Taitung, right? Well, during the disassembly and cleaning process, I saw that logo inside the plastics. Cool Horn, or what's the other one? There's Hung Sing, Cool Horn. I don't know. This works, so that's good. Needs a good cleaning. It's a bit yellowed too. End of video.